Boom, welcome back to the parking lot builds channel and another parking lot build, where today I'll be working on a 2004 Honda Accord LX. And as you can see, we're in a parking lot. That's the whole aim of the channel. So yeah, so last week Saturday I was working on the Honda Accord and I got the AC system to work, but one of the fan was not spinning properly. The car is running currently and the AC is on, but if you can look right there, that fan is kind of sick, but that one is working properly. So to do the right thing, I went and I bought 2 replacement fans. So that's what I'll be doing in today's video. Bro, they got this on tight. So these I got off Amazon and the brand is Dorman. That's the brand. Yeah, not sure if it's the best. I didn't even try to get OEM, but these look exactly like the ones on it. So hey, there you go. These are the replacement fans. There's 2 of them. So these fan is held in by a bunch of 10. So I'm gonna take the 10mm off the top, then I'm going to jack the car up and take the 10 out from underneath. I have to remove this as well. It uses a 10 so that I don't have to take off the radiator hose. So I'll take this one out first and then push this and take it out. So yeah, that's the game plan. As I said, it shouldn't be difficult to take this out. It's just a bunch of 10mm. And I think it should let the AC cool much better, because it was working, but I think it can be cooler because only one of the fan was spinning. So yeah, so that's 4 of 5 already off. So let me just take out this coolant overflow. So the coolant overflow is loose. Time to drop the car up and go underneath. Get a lid on board. To take off the splash guard. These are normally a pain to get off, but it's coming off easily. This one has been difficult. Oh, it's broken. First one is in. Get some of these. I'm just catching the bolts up top, and then I'm going to tighten them afterwards. So yeah. So I got one tighten and just tighten the other one. Ooh, okay, so everything is done underneath. Just time to put back this splash guard. This one. Gotta get this off. This properly. I'm just reinstalling the splash guard with the clips. Just 3 more to go. So I got both of them installed, everything tightened. Those are the old one. So let's start it and see if both of them kick on. The AC should be cooler right now. So yeah, and it's getting dark, so I have to wrap up all of this for the day. So got it on.
Waiting for Perry.
Look at that. Both of them spinning. So that's the end of the install, guys. Yeah, so that was another easy install. I'm trying to get some light. It's dark. It's straightforward. Just some bolts and just removing that splash guard, and it's quite easy. So I'm gonna test it and see if the AC is any better, and probably will let you guys know. So if you had found anything useful or valuable, please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep wrenching. Peace. I'm out.